AI glasses. Are they any good? Have you heard of them? I've never heard of them, but I have with me right here, Dymesty AI glasses. It's basically kind of your budget, like 1 foot in the door into some wearable tech. So it doesn't have display, but it has auto transcription, audio recording. If you want to record a meeting and transcribe it later, it's got real-time translation. You just wanted to talk to a friend of yours maybe that is multilingual. It'll auto translate and then play it through the glasses. Pretty cool. You can also put your own prescription lenses into it. They have blue light blocking lenses as well. It's got premium material design. It's titanium, 35 grams, super lightweight, instant AI wake up. It's ultra slim and lightweight, so pretty comfortable to wear all day. So let's just go ahead and open it, see what they look like. I already got the app downloaded, so I'll show you some of the features, but I want to see like how normal they really look. Could I pull them off? I don't know. I like how premium that box is. Look at that. It reminds me of like a jewelry box, you know? Isn't that cool? Well, if we go, boom, got a little case. Some accessory. It's upside down. Accessory. Okay, it looks like a weird charging cable. Instruction manual. Pretty simple, very small. Seems very easy to figure out. And a little cleaning cloth for the lenses. I just really like this color blue specifically. It makes me feel all fancy. It comes in a leather case. There's a little bungee strap, and then it's got like a metal little nub there. High class. And then we got some suede on the inside. Dang. And the lenses. Oh my god, yeah, these look like regular glasses. I mean, I guess it helps that it doesn't have a display, because those need to be a little bit bulkier still. But dang, dude, I'm about to look like the coolest businessman around. So like, you just want to like go to a meeting or go to class. You just go to class, take it to a college class, and instead of taking note, just sit there and look and pay attention. And as you're paying attention, it's being recorded and transcribed for you. And then you could just take notes on it later. They didn't mention any limit on transcription times or anything like that. All right, so they look pretty normal. They feel pretty normal. They feel like regular glasses. You get some other AR glasses that are pretty heavy, man, or they get real hot, you know, because it's doing a lot. Boom. So that's how you charge it. Quick disconnect. And then you plug this side into a Type-C. And you're charged, baby. Okay, so real quick, it says the first time you turn it on that you're supposed to plug it in. So I got a little portable battery here, and we're just gonna plug them in and get them powered on. I don't think it matters which side goes on which. I see a red light. Okay, something's happening. Okay, so I got them fully charged up. It says you should be able to just open them up and then they turn on. It said something. I think it said power on. So I'm just gonna hit connect on the app. Okay, it's connected. So I'm gonna hit start recording on my screen, just show you guys a few things. It's got AI recording, it's got AI translation, it's got intelligent assistant, schedule assistant, phone loss alert, and it's got the user guide on there. You also have the recorded files here. We have our default, and then you have your recently deleted folder too, in case you forget. And then over here, but you have profile, benefits, support. You got your devices, security manual. Okay, we're gonna try the AI recording. Try holding the glasses button for 1 second to start recording. Hello, it's me, your boy, NoodleNick. Today we're gonna be covering some glasses. They're AI glasses, Dymesty glasses. If you're interested, feel free to like and subscribe and watch all my tech reviews. I have to hold it. Okay, let's see what we get from that. Go here, default, click this, generate the content. Hello, it's me, your boy NoodleNick. Today we're going to be covering some glasses. They're AI glasses, Dymesty glasses. If you're interested, feel free to like and subscribe and watch all my tech reviews. I have to hold it. Okay, yeah, that's about right. AI summary. The meeting focused on discussing Dymesty AI glasses as presented by NoodleNick. It gives you a whole list of summary and stuff. Action items. No specific action items were mentioned. The meeting lacked a detailed discussion on the features or capabilities. But if you wanted to like take notes on something, like we know you're learning something at work and you want to just be paying attention, then that's kind of a good thing to have. I don't know, I think it's a really cool tool. So I'm gonna try the AI translation. So you know, you're walking up to your new Spanish class or whatever, they only speak the one language or something. I don't know what a situation where somebody speaks a different language and you just gotta know what's going on. You can figure it out later, maybe check your translation, but you just go, I'll start the recording on my phone. Okay, so you just hit AI translation. I have it set Español to English, so I'm just gonna hit the record button down here.
Vamos a practicar conversaciones de la vida diaria en español para principiantes. Haremos
everyday conversations in Spanish for beginners.
El primero será para pedir en un restaurante, para cuando quieras hacer planes, ya sea alguna salida o una cita. Y el tercero para...
The first one will be for ordering at a restaurant, and the second one will be for when you want to make plans, whether it's an outing or a date.
Okay, I read it to me in English. It said everyday conversations in Spanish for beginners. The first one will be for ordering at a restaurant, and the second one will be for when you want to make plans, whether it's an outing or a date. And it said it to me. I don't know if you probably could hear it. It read it to me as it was coming in. It's a bit delayed, but it'll just speak it to me. So if you want to walk anywhere where people are speaking Spanish, you hit this button, stick it in your pocket, and then they might hear it. Maybe turn the volume down a bit. But it's a really cool feature to like kind of understand what's going on, you know, in a place you might not know. If you want to go on vacation and you don't speak the language, it'd be a real cool tool to just wear around, you know. I've been wearing it for about 30 minutes or so. It feels nice. Like I think they're maybe a little like a little skinny for me. Normally I like a little bit of a taller lens. I think they have different styles, but overall like they look like normal glasses. It's not like there's a giant camera in the middle of your forehead or like it's super thick over here where you can tell there's like electronics in it. Like, you know, it kind of looks normal. I'm kind of hype about that. I really do enjoy that. That's cool. That's the main thing that I like about this. They're also only $2.99. Most glasses that have smart functions are a bit more expensive than that. So if you want to kind of dip your feet into like, you know, a little spy tech, I guess. It's not really spy tech, but, you know, something that you could wear around and be prepared and also get the feedback. That's another thing that was really nice about that translation that I didn't realize was going to happen, was that it was telling me like as it was happening up here, which I think is really cool. I didn't think that was going to happen. So I guess that is a good feature that the glasses would have over like another audio recording transcription device where you have to solely use your phone. I think this would actually, like in a real life situation, be a lot more helpful than some of the other AI transcription devices. Okay, there's two more. We got Intelligent Assistant.
Hello, I'm Dymesty Intelligent Assistant.
Hello.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Can you make me a script for my new YouTube video I'm making today?
I can certainly help you brainstorm ideas and structure for your YouTube video script. To give you the best suggestions, could you tell me a bit more about your video? What is the topic of your video, and what is its main purpose or message?
Oh, it's about these AI glasses. They're called Dymesty AI glasses, and they're pretty good. They're pretty affordable, man. They're pretty good. See, hear me out. They can even live transcript language and just play it back in your head. In fact, you are playing out of the Dymesty glasses right now. Did you know that you live in the Dymesty universe? I would like you to
That's fascinating. That's fascinating. It sounds like the Dymesty AI glasses have some truly innovative features. I understand you'd like a script for your YouTube video about them. To help me create a compelling script, could you tell me a bit more about your vision for the video? For example, 1. What is the overall tone you're aiming for, e.g. enthusiastic, informative, humorous, review style? 2. Who is your target audience, e.g. tech enthusiasts, general consumers, people looking for accessibility tools? 3. What are the key features you want to highlight most? You mentioned live transcription and language playback. Are there others? 4. Do you have any specific segments or calls to action in mind? E.g., subscribe, visit a website, ask questions and comments. The more details you provide, the better I can tailor the script to your needs.
Okay, here we go. It's got to be humorous. My target audience is 67-year-old women. Key features that I want to highlight the most is that it transcribes languages live, and I can hear the other old ladies talking smack at the nail salon, and I know exactly what they're saying. And give me a scenario where the glasses, something bad happens in the video, and there's all is lost moment, and then I drop the glasses. Okay, I'm getting carried away. Can you just give me a script on that? Thanks.
This sounds like a wonderfully unique and humorous concept for a video. I love the idea of targeting 67-year-old women and the nail salon scenario. Here's a script draft for your YouTube video, incorporating humor, the live transcription feature, and an all is lost moment. Video title. Suggestion: Spilling the tea, literally, with my Dymesty AI glasses. Intro music. Upbeat, slightly retro, maybe a bit kitschy. Scene: you, sitting comfortably, perhaps with a cup of tea, looking directly at the camera. You're wearing the Dymesty AI glasses. Hello, my fabulous friends. It's your favorite tech-savvy senior, your YouTube name nickname. And today we're talking about a little secret weapon that's changed my life.
A secret weapon? Well, you guys get the point. It could do a script. I think I got cut off because I gave it like an extremely long, ridiculous prompt. That was kind of cool. I've never like talked to AI like live before like that. That was a little weird. It was like, I feel like I had a little narrator in my head like I'm playing Assassin's Creed or something. That's your Dymesty AI glasses. So are AI glasses any good? I think so. That was really fun. I like talking to the AI assistant, and I like the recording. The live translation and reading back was super cool. For $300, you really can't beat like some of these features. And it doesn't look super crazy, like, you know, no one's gonna think you got a camera in it. And even if you do get caught and they're like, yo, what's up with those glasses? You got like a camera in that or something? You can legitimately be like, no, dude, like it's literally just for like translating language. You know what I'm saying, dog? Like, what's up, bro? You got a problem? You know, when it comes to wearing AR glasses with a camera, there's like kind of, some people have issues like privacy where they don't want to like record people without their permission and stuff, like visually. But I think if using these responsibly, it could be a really extremely helpful tool, and I don't think it's too invasive like some of the glasses with like cameras in it. So overall, real huge fan. I think it's a real helpful tool. You know, if you need something to kind of help with your workload, if you want somebody to make you a grocery list, tell them, hey, can you give me the grocery list that you gave me last week? Sure, buddy, I got you. You know, can you tell me what that person said on the news? Oh yeah, it's this, and they'll just read it right back to you. You don't even have to look down at your phone. I think that's such a cool feature. So if you're interested in these, I'll leave a link for them in the description. Definitely check them out. They got a bunch of cool stuff. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Peace. Thanks, Dymesty.